Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson says the record could be a possibility given the strength of Jamaica's women's 4x200 meters relay team at the IAAF World Relays in Yokohama, Japan. The last time Thompson was at the World Relays, she anchored the Jamaican team to a championship record 1 minute 29.04 seconds, and the 26-year-old says another record could be on the cards.
I think we can definitely go for that record, but we have a strong team, as Shellyan said, so we're just looking forward for a good race on Sunday and hopefully the record.
Meanwhile, two-time Olympic sprint champion Shellyan Fraser-Pryce says she was looking forward to running the 4x1s, but the decision to enter her in the 4x2s has made the team even stronger.
I think this was our coach's decision. I thought we were going to run the 4x1, but then he said that we're running the 4x2 because he believes that we have a strong team, and I also believe that. So we're just excited about the opportunity and looking forward to it.
The two-day World Relays gets underway tomorrow with the heats of the mixed shuttle relay at 4:38 a.m. Jamaica time. Jamaica will also have teams in the 4x4 heats for men and women, the 4x1s for men and women, and the mixed 4x4s. TVJ SN and Hits 92 FM will have live and exclusive coverage of the World Relays starting at 4:30 a.m. TVJ will have delayed coverage starting at 12:30.